Are you tired of seeing your hard-earned money slowly erode under the weight of taxes? Do you dream of a future where your investments grow, completely untouched by the taxman? If you're a Canadian, then you've probably heard whispers about the magical tax-free savings account, or TFSA. But hearing about it and truly understanding it, let alone maximizing its potential, are two very different things. And when you throw a platform like Wealthsimple into the mix, with its user-friendly interface and diverse investment options, the possibilities for tax-free growth become even more intriguing. So, how do you actually go about maxing out your TFSA with Wealthsimple? What are the strategies, the pitfalls to avoid, and the secrets to truly supercharging your savings? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This isn't just about throwing money into an account, it's about understanding the rules, leveraging the right tools, and making informed decisions to build serious long-term wealth. Let's start by laying the foundation. What exactly is a TFSA, and why is it such a powerful tool for Canadians? Simply put, a TFSA is a registered investment account where any investment income earned, whether it's interest, dividends, or capital gains, is completely tax-free, even when you withdraw it. This is a game changer. Unlike a regular, non-registered investment account where your gains are taxed year after year, the money inside your TFSA grows completely unimpeded. This tax-free compounding is what makes TFSAs incredibly powerful over the long term. Now, it's crucial to understand the contribution room. This is where many people get tripped up. The Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, sets an annual TFSA dollar limit. For 2024 and 2025, that limit is $7,000 per year. But here's the beautiful part, unused contribution room from previous years carries forward indefinitely. So, if you've been eligible for a TFSA since its inception in 2009 and have never contributed, your cumulative contribution room could be substantial, as much as $102,000 for 2025 if you were 18 or older in 2009. You can find your exact contribution room by logging into your CRA My account or by checking with your financial institution. It's vital to know this number, because overcontributing to your TFSA can result in a penalty tax of 1% per month on the excess amount. This is a mistake you absolutely want to avoid. So, you understand the basics. Now, why Wealthsimple for your TFSA? Wealthsimple has rapidly become a popular choice for Canadian investors, especially those looking for a user-friendly and accessible platform. They offer two main ways to invest your TFSA: managed investing and self-directed investing, also known as Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple's managed investing is their robo-advisor service. If you're someone who prefers a hands-off approach, this is an excellent option. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthsimple's algorithms build and manage a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for you. They handle everything: rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and keeping your portfolio aligned with your risk profile. The fees are competitive, typically 0.5% for accounts under $100,000 and 0.4% for accounts over that amount. This is significantly lower than traditional mutual funds and makes it easy to stay disciplined and avoid emotional investing decisions. For someone new to investing or who simply wants to set it and forget it, a managed TFSA with Wealthsimple can be a fantastic way to consistently max out your contributions and benefit from tax-free growth. On the other hand, if you're a more active investor and prefer to pick your own stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple's self-directed investing, Wealthsimple Trade, is your go-to. This platform offers commission-free trading for Canadian and U.S. stocks and ETFs. This means you can buy and sell investments within your TFSA without incurring trading fees, which can quickly eat into your returns and other brokerages. With Wealthsimple Trade, you have complete control over your investment choices. You can invest in a wide range of assets, from individual stocks and bonds to various ETFs, giving you the flexibility to build a portfolio tailored precisely to your specific investment philosophy. This is ideal for those who want to be more hands-on and believe they can outperform a managed portfolio, or simply enjoy the process of researching and selecting their own holdings. Regardless of whether you choose managed or self-directed, the goal remains the same, maxing out your TFSA. So, let's talk strategy. The most straightforward and effective strategy for maxing out your TFSA is to make regular, automated contributions. Set up a recurring deposit from your bank account to your Wealthsimple TFSA on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Even small, consistent contributions add up quickly over time. For example, to max out the $7,000 contribution room for 2025, you could set up a weekly contribution of approximately $134.62, or a bi-weekly contribution of $269.23, or a monthly contribution of $583.33. Automating these contributions removes the friction and mental effort, ensuring you consistently contribute and take full advantage of your available room. Another key strategy is to prioritize your TFSA. If you have multiple savings goals, consider making your TFSA contributions a top priority, especially if you have significant unused contribution room from previous years. The power of tax-free compounding means that the sooner you get your money into your TFSA and invested, the longer it has to grow completely tax-free. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill. The earlier you start, the bigger it gets. What about withdrawals? This is an area where TFSA rules can seem a little tricky, but Wealthsimple makes it easy to understand. You can withdraw money from your TFSA at any time, for any reason, and the withdrawals are completely tax-free. This flexibility is a major advantage over other registered accounts like RRSPs, which are primarily for retirement and have tax implications upon withdrawal. However, here's the crucial point about recontributing. Any amount you withdraw from your TFSA is added back to your contribution room, but only at the beginning of the following calendar year. So, if you withdraw $5,000 in July 2025, that $5,000 in contribution room will become available again on January 1, 2026. If you recontributed in the same year you withdrew it, and you don't have enough current contribution room, you could incur an overcontribution penalty. This is a common mistake, so always double-check your available contribution room before recontributing funds you've withdrawn. Now, let's delve into some optimization tactics within Wealthsimple. For managed investing, review your risk tolerance regularly. Life changes, and your comfort level with risk might evolve. Wealthsimple allows you to easily adjust your risk profile, which will in turn adjust the asset allocation of your portfolio. This ensures your investments remain aligned with your financial comfort zone. Also, consider the different portfolio options available within managed investing, such as their socially responsible investing, SRI, portfolios, or halal investing options, if these align with your values. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.